Hello and welcome back to my slides, aka my new channel where I post everyday slime related things. So yeah, you can probably guess what type of slime this is already by this. And it's not doing this. Like, it's not moving. You want to guess what type of slime it is? Yes, you're correct. It is iceberg slime. That is if you guessed it. But I have let these sit out for 2.5 days now, and I want to see if they are actual iceberg slime. This is a tar slime. And then this, I don't know what to call this. I was thinking about calling it iceberg seal slime. So yeah, I'm going to start with tar slime, and then I'll do the iceberg seal. So let's get into it. So this is tar, like I said, so I'll just shut up and just make some more. So this is the iceberg seal slime, and I will be quiet and we can see if it was real iceberg slime. Tar slime was not, sorry, real iceberg slime. If you noticed, when I poked it in, it all came in, like the slime came in, and that is not real iceberg slime. Real iceberg slime, just you poke it and it falls through your fingers too. So let's try it. Thank you for watching me play with slimes. Once again, this is tar slime, and this is iceberg seal. I was disappointed that both of them folded in, but I think I'm going to let them sit out for like 5 days, so even longer. And I did not put lids on these, so now that I think about it, I think I only had them out for like a day, but the fact that they got that texture within a day proves that without a lid they do harden faster. So I'll probably only keep it in there for 3 days without lids. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every single day, and you will love them. Bye guys. Mwah.